Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have prerequisites: account, permissions, and a charged device. First, open the Circuit app and sign in. This establishes your profile and syncs cloud data. Once logged in, tap New Project or Join Room to create a workspace. Make sure to grant mic and camera access now so features load correctly. These first actions set permissions, storage paths, and real-time links. So do them before adding files or inviting collaborators to avoid later sync. Once done with the launch, focus on the core workflow. You import schematics or data, then place components from the library onto the canvas. This builds your circuit step by step. Use layers or grouping to separate power, control, and signal paths and run the simulator's test mode to catch immediate errors. Make small saves, V1, V2, so you can revert. These actions streamline debugging and preserve iterations, which is why structured imports and incremental saves matter. To finish, run a full simulation and inspect warnings, timing, and thermal maps. This confirms functionality. Then export outputs, BOM, Gerber, or PDF, selecting DPI and file format appropriate for fabrication or review. Share the exported bundle with collaborators and set access permissions. If something goes wrong, first recheck wiring and component values, then clear app cache and restart. If errors persist, revert to the last working version and step through recent changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.